With your ActivPanel LE, you have access to the new Touch-enabled Live Source Preview feature. This feature allows you to preview a connected source, switch between sources, and even interact when your device is connected through a touch-enabled port. To get started, swipe either side of the screen to access the navigation menu and select the Source Menu button. This launches the Touch-enabled Live Source Preview. Once opened, choose the source you would like to connect. You can switch between the USB-C 2, OPS, HDMI, or DisplayPort as your input source. Once you choose your source, it will automatically appear on the screen, similar to a picture-in-picture feature. While in the Touch-enabled Live Source Preview, you can interact by moving the preview anywhere on the screen, resizing it, or even using it as a split-screen option. If you have connected a touch-enabled device, you can turn the touch feature off in the menu. This is useful for allowing annotations or other apps to be used while keeping your connected source static. You can also turn the volume on or off in the menu, giving you full control without leaving your ActivPanel LE. When you are ready to make your connected source the main screen, tap the Enter button. This makes your selection the main source for your screen, allowing you to fully interact with your device. When touch is enabled, you can use your connected device apps right from your ActivPanel LE while still having the full functionality of the Favorites button, menus, and apps.